It's the toy ranter again. Oh shit, why don't you stop? And I ain't gonna stop until Hasbro starts making figures I want. Son of a bitch. Bam! Hello, everybody. And no, I'm not drunk this time. I mean, buzzed. I promise. Scout's honor. I would like you all, if you're under the age of 13 and you're watching the video, you should not be watching the video, because this video is for adult collectors only. We are here at Walmart, as I told you. Quick Walmart hunt before work. Oh my god. And we are in the toy aisles, and bam, this is what's on the pegs. Nothing. Let's see what's good with Turtles. I mean, He-Man. Nothing. No Turtles. We got Battle Cat. We got He-Man. Usual. Oh God. When are y'all? Okay, Skeleton. When are y'all gonna start with the Faker? And like I said, Fakers. I don't know why nobody's talking about it. Faker should be blue. I'm tired of this shit. Transformers. Damn. Bam. Damn. Oh, that's just sad. No Fortnite. We got Power Rangers. Fuck Power Rangers. Fuck this Friday Night Freddy bullshit. We got Transformers into the Cyberverse. Fuck you. Let's see what we have. Bam! Batman Beyond. I'm waiting for that blight to come out. Oh my god, that blight is fire. Oh, we got, oh snap. First on the channel, gang. I heard about this. Batman Beyond in fucked up suit. And we have normal Batman Beyond. Oh my god. Bam! Oh snap! Unmasked. Shriek. Bam! Ooh, I'm getting this, gang. I'm getting this. Yeah, suck it. Yeah, suck it. Yeah. I have to give it up to McFarlane. Still looking for that Red Hood, masked, not unmasked. We got Cobra Hiss. We got Snake Eyes. Headless Horseman Syndrome again. We've got Shang-Chi, which I'm not going to see. Shang-Chi can kiss my ass. Suck it. Don't even get me started, Black Widow. That's another story. I mean, well, y'all already know. Damn, I want this. But I just want the head. Damn. All right, let's go see what's in the NECA aisle, because I don't see no Turtles here. Maybe when we go to Target. Told you, I'm gonna step it up. All right, let's go. Let's see what we can find right here on the Toy Ranter. And oh, Hasbro, we've got a problem. Oh my God. Get all this crap. Bam! I don't own the rights to this music, yo. Y'all know damn right I don't sing. Psych. I sing sometimes. Let's see. We got Mego. We got Star Trek. More Star Trek. We got Gundam Universe Burning. Gundam Togeys. Oh, snap. We got Kiss. Spaceman. Kiss. The Spaceman. The Cat. The Demon. The Star Child. Yes, I do not know my Kiss members, okay? Yeah, I know you don't have to be white to know Kiss. Alright, bitches. All right, we got Elvis. Don't step on my blue ass shoes. I died on the toilet, bitch. Oh God, Elvis. What is it, dog? It's your kids, Elvis. Your kids. Your daughter's gonna marry a black man. Oh no. Somebody call the doctor. Oh my heart. She's gonna marry a moonwalker. King Kong, my son's gonna die on an island with his foot stuck in a crack. In black and white movie, Son of Kong. Kong! Won't that guy shut up? Don't you know this is it? The movie. Bam! Movies. Bam! Oh my God. Oh, cars. Bam! More corn. What the hell's going? What is if that's for kids? Because Lord have mercy, that shit's corny. All right, let's get ready to rant. Cause let me tell you something. Let me put this down and explain something to y'all right the fuck now. Hasbro, look at me. I'm going ECW, New Jack, Extreme on your punk asses right now. Hasbro, I'm ashamed, I'm appalled, I'm disgusted, I'm disembobulated, I'm frustrated, I'm upset, I'm pissed, I'm vexed, I'm perturbed, I'm fucking frustrated. Let me tell you something right now. That overpriced Galactus should have never been funded. Let me tell you something. Everybody that funded that son of a bitch Hasbro, no, that haslab shit, fuck every single one of y'all motherfuckers, because you letting these motherfuckers take y'all money. $400 for real? Iron Can 3000 was right. Me and him was right here. Brother, I respect you, brother. I respect you. All them backers is a bunch of punk ass, greedy motherfuckers. You giving these motherfuckers y'all motherfuckers